Rebase and merge both genuinely combine two branches, but Rebase rewrites history into a real straight line while merge preserves the actual branching shape. In this video you will do both and compare the real result. This real merge creates a genuine new merge commit, preserving both branches' actual separate history shape. This real rebase genuinely replaces features commits one by one on top of main, producing a real straight line, no merge commit. This real command visually shows the genuine difference, merge's branching shape versus rebase straight line. Git merge preserves a real branch's actual shape with a dedicated merge commit. Git rebase replaces commits onto a real straight line, rewriting history. Never rebase a real branch that other people have already pulled and built on. Rebase a real feature branch onto main and compare the log graph before and after. Ready to temporarily set aside real, unfinished work.